Dear God, I have a special prayer today. It's for people who cough just once. They hear a tiny sound, then their hands quickly reach for their phones. They search online, they type in small cough or just one cough. Google gives them many big words. Google shows them scary things. Things that make their heart beat very fast, so much worry. Their heart shakes more than the cough ever did. Their eyes get wide with fear. Please, God, give them peace. Guide their fingers away from all the internet panic. Tell them to close the search page. Tell them to calm their busy minds right now. Instead of Googling, they should talk to a doctor. A real doctor knows best. Help them make good choices. Keep their minds clear and their hearts happy. Amen.